Hi, Girl Guide Emily here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the camp version of pineapple upside down cake, which is a fabulous treat for any guy to have at the end of it. So here we have the campfire. It is getting really warm. What we're going to do is I've built it up and then we're going to let it burn down and put the grill on the top, which is just there, and then we will cook the camp pineapple upside down cake on top of the grill. So to make these you'll need some butter, some brown sugar, some pineapple slices and some sugar ring donuts. I'm going to start by getting a ring donut, and then we are going to cut it in half. Like that. Okay, so you've got your two halves there. Then we are going to put some butter on it. Like so. And on both halves. That's it. And then we are going to dip them in the sugar. So there's one. And there's two. So now they're full of sugar. Next up, to add the pineapple. So you want one pineapple ring, and you're just going to place it on top of your ring donut, and then put the top on a bit like a pineapple sandwich. All that's left to do is wrap it in tinfoil. That's ready to go on the campfire. And then it is time to place your pineapple upside down cake onto the fire, and then with a pair of tongs all you have to do is keep turning it like that. And there we have it, there's the end of it. So you do it until the sugar is caramelised and it makes it sticky, and they taste delicious. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!